In this lecture, let's discuss course chapters overview. So let's have a look at the course and its contents. So there are 4 parts in this course, which repeats the 4 sections of the TOEFL exam: the reading, the listening, the speaking, and the writing. We'll go through each of the exam sections, and I will give you the secrets and tactics to all of them, which will help you to avoid the traps that the test makers created for you, and will help you to pass the TOEFL test on a high score. In the reading chapter of this course, we'll cover several things. First of all, we'll discuss how to read the text. I will show you what is the best strategy to read the passage. We will talk about what traps to avoid. We'll discover the 6 question types, and we'll cover the tactics for all of these question types. We'll also talk about the final tips on enhancing your reading skills. In the listening chapter, we'll cover how to take notes, which is an extremely important skill to succeed on the listening section. We'll also cover what to pay attention to while you're listening to the passage, because this can help you a lot in answering the questions after. We'll cover 3 question types, and we'll cover tactics for each of them. We'll also discuss the final tips on enhancing your listening skills. In the speaking chapter, we'll cover the speaking section structure. We'll talk about how speaking is scored. We'll discuss how to succeed on the speaking section. We'll also discuss all the speaking questions and overview several things about them. We'll talk about what to expect with each of the tasks. We'll talk about how to prepare on time. We'll talk about how to structure your notes during your preparation. We'll discuss important grammar tips which can help you to improve your speaking. We'll talk about how to structure your response, and I will give you the ready-made speaking cliches and templates which you will be able to just learn by heart. We'll talk about what to do if the task is too difficult, what are the tips to survive in that situation. We'll also discuss sample responses and do a lot of practice. Besides, we'll discuss the tips which can help you to succeed on the TOEFL speaking section. In the writing chapter of this course, we'll talk about the section structure, we'll talk about how writing is scored, we'll discuss how to write concisely, which is a very important thing to do if you want to get a high score, and also we'll talk about how to write cohesively or logically, how to write a well-developed text, which is also a very important criteria for your scoring. We'll talk about writing number 1, which is an integrated task, and we'll talk about 2 possible structures which you can use for your essay, and we'll discuss sample responses, and we'll do a lot of practice. We'll also evaluate a sample response, and for the writing number 2, which is an independent task, we'll discuss several things. We'll talk about 3 topic types, we'll discuss the structure and ready-made samples and templates of all the topic types. We'll discuss sample essays of each of the type, and we will analyze a sample response. I will also give you final advice on enhancing your writing skills. Also, of course, we'll have a lot of bonuses. We all love bonuses, right? So I'll give you strategies that can help you to succeed on the TOEFL test. I'll also tell you what to do one day before the test and what to do on your exam day. I'll give you all the advice that you will need. Also, I will give you tons of bonus exercises. There will be tons of them. And also, you will receive your free gift. You can submit your essay for my evaluation, and I will send you my feedback with all my comments on how to improve your writing. Alright, so the TOEFL exam is an internet-based exam, which you will pass sitting in front of a computer. That is why I devote special attention to the interface of the exam software, so that you get familiar with it during this course. In my videos, I use the software from the Cambridge preparation for the TOEFL IBT test. It is similar to the interface that you will see on the exam, but has different colors and some additional buttons. Let me show you. So this is how your exam will look like, okay? So this is TOEFL Reading, ETS, this is our organization which organizes the test. You'll see these buttons here, review, help, back, and next. You'll see the time here, the question is here, answer choices are here, and then the text is here, okay? So in the software that I will be using, you see that it is slightly different colors, so it's a different color, and also there's some extra buttons and extra information here, okay? So this entire block is just in our interface. On your real exam, you will not have anything here, but on the software that I will be using, we'll have this part, so just don't pay attention to it, and then don't expect it to be on your exam, okay? We will not have this thing: feedback, book reference, score, stop clock, skip to question. Of course, we will not have this on the real exam. We also will not have this button, exit the section, and we will not have the volume button, okay? So the rest is pretty much the same, it's just a little bit different colors, also a little bit different design of these buttons. You see here it's different, okay? But the rest is totally the same. So I'm using the software in order to prepare you for the software on your real exam, because I want you to know, okay, where is the question? Where is the text? Where are the buttons? Which buttons I need to use? So I'm using this software to show you during this course how you're going to use the software on your real exam. By using this software, I will make sure you get used to the interface of the exam software already on these course videos. This way, on the real exam, you will navigate through the software and will worry less. Okay, so this is my goal. All right, so it's time to finally start our course. Let's go.